Welcome back to our channel. Here we have a dynamic microphone Sennheiser, and as you can see the wire is disconnected to the pin. If you watch my previous video, this is the one that I soldered it and it came back with a detached wire. Maybe this microphone was dropped. Now I'm trying to solder it. Actually, this time I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Okay, I check and still the voice coil is open or the wire is not connected. I give a try for the second time. Check it again, but still the same. The line still open. So I'm just suspecting this side, but if you move the pin, the wire is moving, meaning it is connected. But this wire, when I check, still not soldered to the pin. I'm just aligning it. I have a limited vision on this camera because I'm just using handy cam, not a microscopic camera. And do the solder again. Now for the third time, I have just put more lead on it. Okay. And let me check. Wow, finally it is connected. Just to double check. Yes. Wow. If you do have like microscopic camera, I think you can do soldering this. As you can see the wire, it's so tiny. Double checking if the wire is properly connected or soldered to the pin. And on this side also. Yes. It is really happens this condition if you drop this microphone, because you know why? The three pins are moving freely. So what I did on the pin that I I soldered the plastic to hold firmly the pin so that the pin will not moving. If you see this, if you move the pin, also the wire is moving, and I think this is the reason why if you drop this microphone and a lot of impact on the microphone, then wire cuts. Thank you for watching and God bless.